So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss this amazing Quartic equation, right? What is the question? X raised to 4 equal to 5x square plus 6x plus 5. This is going to be very amazing video, right? I will solve this question by two methods and you can apply whichever method you like. Both the method are very conceptual, so pay attention throughout both the method, right? And during video you have any query, any doubt, then you can obviously comment me in the comment box, right? So first of all, if I talk about first method, right, through which we are going to solve this amazing equation, right? So as I said, pay attention in this method also. So here I have x raised to 4 equal to 5x square plus 6x plus 5, right? Now if I bring all of these three terms left hand side, then what will happen? X raised to 4 minus 5x square minus 6x minus 5 equal to 0, right? Now here I have x raised to 4 and here I have x square, right? Which means x cube term is missing, right? In this equation there is no term like x cube. There is only 4, 2, 1 and 0. So now if I want to form this Quartic equation, that means I have to multiply two quadratic equation, right? I have to multiply two equation with the order 2. So for example, if I assume that those which are those two equations, first equation is x square plus ax plus b, right, into x square minus ax plus c, right? Why I have taken plus here and why I have minus, I will explain you in a minute, right? So equal to has to be x raised to 4 minus 5x square minus 6x minus 5. Agree? Now here I have taken plus ax and here I have taken minus ax. I have changed both the sign, and also the constant I have taken is same both the side. Here I have taken different constant, right? Why is that? Because if I multiply x square with this, then it will become minus ax cube, and x with x square it will become plus x cube, which means term of x cube will be get cancelled out, which we want, right? Because in this equation there is no term like x cube term is missing. So in this equation also the term of x cube has to be cancelled out, right? Then only we can get this equation. So for that purpose I have taken here plus sign and here minus, and both the constant is same. You can obviously take different constant here, a and b, right? But at the end you will have to cancel out both the term. So for making this equation very easy, I have taken a both the side and plus minus sign, right? So now what we'll do next step, if I multiply both of this equation, then I will get x raised to 4, right? X square into x square. Now x square into minus x, it will become minus ax cube plus cx square. Same way I multiply x with this, it will become ax cube plus x cube minus a square x square plus ac x. Same way I multiply b with this, all of this, right? So it will become bx square minus abx plus cb, which is going to equal to x raised to 4 minus 5x square minus 6x minus 5. Agree? So as you can see, minus x cube and plus x cube will be get cancelled out. So there will be no term like x cube. So now x raised to 4 will be as it is, plus if I collect all the term of x square, I have c minus a square and b. So I can write c plus b minus a square. Agree? Same way I will collect all the term of x, it will become ac minus ab into x, right, plus constant term which is bc equal to x raised to 4 minus 5x square minus 6x minus 5, right? So both the side I have got x raised to 4, right? I have missed here x square, right? So both the side you will get x square, x and constant term. So you can directly equivalent with the coefficient of x square here, right? Which means b plus c minus a square going to be equal to minus 5, ac minus ab equal to minus 6, bc equal to minus 5, right? So ac minus ab equal to minus 6 and bc equal to minus 5, right? So you have three equation and three variable. You can obviously solve this equation and you can find the value of a, b, c, but this is going to be quite difficult, right? But if you can solve this difficult equation also, then you will be very good in this solving the equation, right? For example, here I have b plus c minus a square equal to minus 5. So I can write here that b plus c equal to a square minus 5, right? If I bring a square right hand side. Same way in second equation, if I take a common, it will become c minus b equal to minus 6. So what will the value of c minus b? Minus 6 by A, right? So in one equation you got b plus c, and another equation c minus b, right? So if you add both of these equations, then you will get another equation. For example, if I do, then b and b will get cancelled out, right? So what will remain? 2c equal to a square minus 5 minus 6 by a, right? So 2c equal to what will happen? A cube minus 5a minus 6 divided by a, right? So now if we want to find out value of c, it will be a cube minus 5a minus 6 divided by 2a. Agree? This is the value of c. Now you can put this value of c in this equation also, right? And you will get another equation for b. So this will be quite lengthy in solving this equation, right? You will get three different value for a, b and c. But if I talk about second method, in which you can get answer very easily, right? This is conceptual method. If you can solve this equation, then you are very good, right? But if I solve this equation, then video will be very lengthy. So that's why I'm proposing another method. Second method. In this method, what we'll do, for example, what is the question? X raised to 4 equal to 5x square plus 6x plus 5, right? Now if I solve this question by difference of square method, right? For example, if I take both the sides square, right? If I form equation which is perfect square both the side, for example, if I write p of x square and here q of x square, right? This represents a polynomial, right? Both the side I have taken perfect square. So this will be very easy, because I can write p of x square minus q of x square equal to 0, right? So I can easily get p of x plus q of x, right? And p of x minus q of x. So I can directly easily solve this kind of equation, and I can get directly answer, right? So for this purpose, what we'll do, I will add some x square plus k constant square, right? Because if I square this equation, then I will get x raised to 4 term. And in this side also, if I write ax plus b whole square, right? So I will get this kind of equation. So it will become x square plus k whole square minus ax plus b whole square equal to 0. Now important part start here, right? Pay attention here. If I expand this equation, which means it will become x raised to 4 plus 2kx square plus k square. Agree? Now this term doesn't contain any x term, right? This equation doesn't contain any x term. So I can say that for sure that this equation means this term will come only from this equation, right? Ax plus b. So whenever I talk about 6x, one equation I directly got into mind, that I will get x square plus 6x plus 9, right? In this equation, only in this equation I can get 6x, right? So now if I do some settings and if I make this equation like this, then what will happen? For example, here I have 5x square plus 6x plus 5, and here I have only x square. So now what we will do, if I add plus 4x square here, right? So I will get 4x square plus x square, which means 5x square. But constant term here I have 5 and here I have 9. So I can easily subtract 4, right? So 9 minus 4 will be 5. So now this equation become this equation, right? So now I can solve this equation and see if I get any result or not. So what we will do, here I have x square plus 6x plus 9 plus 4x square minus 4, which is this equation, which is equal to x raised to 4, right? X raised to 4. Now if I bring 4x square minus 4 left hand side, then what will happen? X raised to 4 minus 4x square plus 4, which is equal to x square plus 6x plus 9. Agree? So now this is a perfect square, x square minus 2 whole square, and in this side also I will get x plus 3 whole square, right? If I expand this equation, I will get this equation. So now I can bring this term left hand side, x square minus 2 whole square minus x plus 3 whole square, which is equal to 0, right? Now I can apply formula a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b and into a minus b, right? So according to the equation, x square minus 2 plus x plus 3 and x square minus 2 minus x minus 3, which is equal to 0. So I will get two equation, which is x square plus x plus 1. Another will be x square minus x minus 5 equal to 0, right? So now you can solve both of this equation, quadratic equation, by b square minus 4ac formula, right? So if I apply this formula, then I will get answer x equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 3i by 2, right? For this equation, it will be imaginary value, imaginary answer, right? And for this equation, I will get x equal to 1 plus or minus root 21 divided by 2. This will be real value and this will be imaginary value. I will get total 4 value. Why? Because here I have x raised to 4, right? So obviously I am gonna get 4 value of x, right? So I hope you got it. Second method also, this is comparatively very easy. You can get directly answer here, right? This method is quite lengthy. So I hope you understand both the method. And in any case, if you have any query, any doubt, then you can obviously comment me in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching this video.